So children, today I am going to ask you all questions and you all are going to answer me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you keep your videos open,
Is coming
please.
very low.
My sound is
Okay, ma'am.
low, maybe, I do not know.
Okay, ma'am.
Ha ha.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the first
Okay, ma'am.
thing was nouns. Now, what is noun? I have to know first what is noun. Since it's a revision class going on, what is noun? Who can tell me one at a time? And the name which I call out will tell me.
Ma'am, noun is a word which indicates.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Please
Noun can
wait.
be the name
All
of
of you
person,
mute
place, thing,
yourself.
animal, emotion or quality.
All of you mute yourself. Yes, all of you
Ma'am,
mute
please ask
yourself.
question one by one.
All of you mute yourself. Yes, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, Prithvijay. Yes. Adrito, tell me, what is a noun?
Ma'am, a noun is a word which describes any emotion, place, name of a person. What it can be
Yes,
more.
of course. Noun is a name of something. Okay. It might be a name of a person, place, animal, or object. It might be something, suppose an emotion. It might be some quality, ideas, etc.
Ma'am, name
Okay.
is a part of it which
Which
is
tells
refers to
us
the name of something.
name of something. Very good. It might be a collection also. Okay. So a noun is a name of something. Very good. Now the next. What is a proper noun? Priyanshu, tell me.
Ma'am, proper noun is the noun which is used to specify something.
Particular person, place, animal, or object. Okay. That is a proper noun. It tells us about a particular person, place, animal, or object. Thing also. Very good. Now the next, whom do I have here? Please let me see. Please do not. Acha, who is Anav Pradhan? Anav Pradhan or Anbhav Pradhan? Anbhav Pradhan. Are you there? Please unmute yourself. Kunal Shah, please unmute yourself. Kunal Shah. Momita Das.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. You tell me what is a common noun?
Ma'am, a common noun is ma'am the general name of
Yes, very good. It's a general name given.
or
Okay, it's a general name given to a similar group of person, animal, or thing. Understood? Very good. Next we have got under common noun is countable and uncountable noun. Okay. The person who has joined just now, Pornoshri Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just tell me what is a countable and an uncountable noun.
Countable nouns are which can be count, and uncountable nouns are things which cannot be count.
Counted in numbers. Okay. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted in numbers. Okay. And uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted in numbers. For example, water, sugar, salt. Okay, these are uncountable nouns. And countable nouns, for example, a child, pencil, these are countable nouns. Okay, very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. The next is an abstract noun. Prithvijay, please tell me. say, I called you beforehand, Kunal. Come on, tell me what is an abstract noun?
Ma'am, abstract noun is that when we can't show that. Ma'am, like powerful, happiness,
Abstract
etc.
nouns, yes, these are qualities which we cannot see with our eye, which we can only feel, okay? Emotions, actions, feelings, ideas, all these are abstract nouns. Okay?
ma'am.
The next is collective noun. Okay, Priyanshu, you tell me what is collective noun?
Mamai.
Yes. Now Priyanshu
Ma'am, collective
once you
noun.
told me now. Okay, Prithvijay, tell me what is collective noun?
tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Please mute yourself, everybody. I've called somebody. Prithvijay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is collective noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, collective noun. Ma'am, collective noun is a noun that indicates groups of persons, animals, things forming a unit, like a flock of sheep,
Flock.
a
Very
shape,
good.
a shape of arrows.
Very good, very good, very good. Thank you so much. Now what is a material noun?
Ma'am, can I
Produmno,
tell?
tell me.
Can I tell?
Produmno.
Ma'am, can I?
Say, Rishu say, Rishuraj.
afternoon, ma'am. I'm Ashman first.
Very good, Ayushman. Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
Rishuraj, tell
Ma'am,
me what is material noun?
ma'am, material noun is the name of things used for making a order, like object,
A new object can be formed. Okay. Material nouns are the names of those objects which are used for making some other object. For example, gold. With the help of
Yes, ma'am,
gold,
like
we
wood.
can make a new object. Silver.
Yes,
Okay, we
ma'am.
can make a new object. Sofa, wood. Wood is a material noun. From wood, we can make a new object, that is a sofa set, a bed. Okay. Okay, so this much is over. Very good. Thank you, all of you. Your concept is very clear. This exercise has been done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now,
ma'am.
Ayushman,
Yes, ma'am.
just tell me two common nouns from this exercise.
Ma'am, common noun.
Two common nouns from this exercise.
Ma'am, judge.
Huh?
Ma'am, and woman.
Woman. Judge and woman. Very good. Child also is there. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay.
Welcome,
The
ma'am.
rest of you, your exercise is clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Prajwal is there. I saw Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Prajwal, tell me two proper nouns from here. Two proper nouns. The first line consists of a proper noun, Prajwal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can tell.
Now
Please.
wait,
Ma'am, I
Prajwal
can
will
tell.
tell me. Wait. Prajwal will tell me. I know Prajwal can. Prajwal, you say.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Prajwal, you are very late.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
can tell.
Sonuji,
Ma'am, I will
say.
tell. Can I? Ma'am,
Acha, okay.
Ma'am, can
Soham
I
wants
tell?
to say. Soham say.
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, can I tell?
Say.
Ma'am, Justice Leela. Ma'am, can I tell? Said.
Leela Sheth. Yes, Justice Leela Sheth. This is a proper noun. Very good. Yes, Soham say.
Yes, ma'am.
mom wanted
Only
to say?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Abrojit wanted to say?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Say.
want to say.
Say.
Ma'am, the first sentence.
From the first sentence, Justice Leela Sheth is there. Okay.
Justice
हाँ.
Leela Seth was the first woman judge on the Delhi High Court.
Delhi is also a proper
Delhi,
noun
I-
which
Ma'am,
is
Delhi is
used.
a proper noun.
Prithvi
Ma'am,
Jay. Thank
Delhi
you
is
so
proper
much.
noun.
And at last, see the last line. You all have got India, proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, UN also proper noun.
हाँ.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, now also.
Thank you so
Ma'am,
much. Now
ma'am,
let's consider
Ma'am,
the
there
next
is
part.
written.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Say.
there is written Uttar Pradesh also.
Uttar Pradesh. No, there is something else. Gulabi. Gulabi is a proper
Ma'am,
noun
time
given
ma'am.
here.
Ma'am, time magazine.
Yes. Now let's
Ma'am,
consider
Gulabi-
this
ma'am, Gulabi
collective
gang.
nouns. Okay.
Ma'am,
Produmno.
ma'am,
Yes,
your voice is
Rushiraj.
coming very low.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we
ma'am.
say Gulabi gang? Ma'am,
That's a proper
as
noun. There.
material.
Yes.
Ma'am, as collective of noun.
The
Ma'am, can I
gang.
take-
If
Ma'am,
I say a
ma'am,
gang of
Ma'am, can we
dacoits,
take
then the
collective
word
noun?
gang is a collective noun.
of Gulabi gang.
Gulabi is the proper noun which is used.
Ma'am,
Okay.
your voice is coming low.
Is it so?
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody mute yourself, otherwise my voice will echo. Okay? Everyone has got to mute yourself. If you all do
Ma'am,
not
when we are
mute
talking,
yourself,
our voice is coming from your voice.
yes, that's why it's echoing. Okay? Okay, now the next part here, what can you all see? A collective noun. Okay? Now what are the collections? See, a bunch of keys, a class of students, a waddle of penguins, a pack of wolves, a company of actors, a band of musicians, a block of flats, a cloud of dust,
Ma'am, what is
a
flat?
team of players,
What is flat, ma'am?
Flat. Flat means the blocks where we people live. That is a flat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. An archipelago of islands, many islands together. A pair of shoes. A school of fish. Okay. Now, let me just find
Ma'am.
out whom I did not ask a
Ma'am,
question.
ma'am, what is the archipelago?
Many islands together. Okay. That is an archipelago of islands. Okay.
Ma'am, in the in before exercise there is written a group of women.
Group
Can we
of
call
women.
it collective nouns?
A group together, considered together is many women together. Okay. Okay. Produmno.
Yes, ma'am.
Produmno, you tell me a sentence with a pack of wolves.
The pack of wolves are going line by line.
A pack of wolves were found in the forest. Very good. A pack of wolves were found in the
Mama.
forest because many together. Okay. Now this
Yes, ma'am.
exercise every one of you have done. Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
My,
ma'am.
sharing has been stopped. Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this part I think every one of you have done.
Ma'am, it's not written in the comment section.
It's there in Google Classroom also. Okay, now the next here we have got is abstract nouns. What is an abstract noun we have done? Now here see, we have formed abstract nouns. Isn't it so?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes, ma'am.
Duke? Duke. How do we form an abstract noun from Duke?
Ma'am, by
Pridvijay.
adding
Dukedom. Dukedom. Very good. The next we have got is train. Obrujit, tell me train. Trainee. 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 Okay. Very good. That means these parts are also clear to all of you. You all are going to get 10 upon 10 in grammar then. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I want all of you, both the sections, to get 10 upon 10. Not only section F, section G also. Or everybody, 10 upon 10. Okay. So,
Ma'am, are you well now?
my mother was sick. Okay.
Okay, I thought you are sick.
Nah. Okay, so this part also is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So this is the end of the chapter. Okay. So the total chapter, I think it's clear to all of you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll just show you all
Yes, ma'am.
that I have given you all a homework.